Hey, what's up guys? A few days ago, we gave you a first look of the blue Huawei P20 Lite in the wild, and today we have an even clearer photo to share. We can see the back in full view, the dual sensors on the back, a main 16 megapixel cam and a second 2 megapixel depth sensing unit, the fingerprint scanner, and the lovely liquid like mirror finish of the panel. We also managed to collect a few other leaked photos and a hands-on video of the upcoming Huawei P20 Lite. The images show the same back and the front with the notched top display. The video is technically a hands-on video, although we only get somewhat as 360 actions. Yes, we see the working screen, but we don't see the phone being used well. The Huawei P20 Lite will pack a 5.84-inch display with 1080p multiplied 2280 pixels with little to no bezel, classy glass body, but will cut back on things like Leica branded cameras and more than 4GB of RAM to push the price to below €400. It is expected to go for €370.